YouTube, what's good? It's your boy King Sledge. You already know it's my channel, Sneakerhead. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any notifications when I post new videos. Yo, today I've got yet another unboxing for you, and this is just a couple of dressy shoes that I have in my collection, and I just want to unbox them and show you. A lot of people think that I only fucks with sneakers, but no, man, I do some dressy shoes too. My channel is about clothing first of all, even before shoes. And you know, like, you can't do clothing without shoes, so I kind of like do a little blend of both, but I do dressy shoes as well. So I'm gonna show you. I picked up these ones very cheap. I waited until they were on sale, like at least 50% off, and some of them are from ALDO and whatnot. But without further ado, let's get into it so you could see. So looking at the box right here, this is ALDO, and there you go. All right, let me get into the box so you know which one I'm talking about. This is gonna be the Royton 97s. Okay. Yeah, I think this one was shipped to my house, so the sheet that came in from ALDO, the shipment. Okay, we put it on the side. All right. Having a dressy shoe, you know, to go, it's always something that a gentleman must have in his or her collection, and this shoe does just that. You know, I like it very well because it's got, you know, that little chain. It looks like a necklace, like the Cuban links. That's something that attracted me to buy this shoe first of all. So there you go, size 9.5, I think. It was a size 10. Yeah, size 10. There you go. Sometimes I wear size 9.5. So yeah, decent shoe, really clean. I'm not gonna do any on feet, but you definitely see me this in one of my howto rotations that is coming up pretty shortly. So at the bottoms, there you go. Just your basic dressy shoes. Really clean shoes, man. I like this shoe very well. I can't wait to rock them, you know, to maybe church or or to a program or outing or something. All right, let's move on to the next shoe. Next is also ALDO. It's gonna be Oberon, and this is also size 10. So without further ado, let's get into it. I think I paid $49 for the first one. This one I also paid, I think I paid around the same price. Original price was like $150, but I waited until I usually buy my shoes from the outlets because it's cheaper over there, and I always wait until I have a deal or some, you know, sale going on so I can get the shoe for the low. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want to pay full price for some of the shoes. If it does not save me money, you already know that's my motto. I am not capping, okay? All right, this was also shipped to my house. It's got the receipt in there and whatnot. So this is the ALDO Oberon. This has got like the old nostalgic, you know, plates over here, little flaps right here, and it's got like the lock over here. It's got the old school feel to it. That's why I like it very well. That's why I bought it. This is what caught my eyes on the shoe. The bottoms are designed like pretty much like the Timberland, you know, hefty bottoms. I guess it's gonna be very good for your arch support with your ankle and whatnot. Yeah, this is the shoe. Nice shoe. This is the ALDO Oberon, and I'll put all the links in the description if any one of you, you know, like dressy shoes and wants to cap one just for that special occasion that might come up that you want to rock your shoe to. It's not every occasion that you can, you know, you can wear some Jordans or sneakers. Sometimes you just gotta be a gentleman and wear some dressy shoes. So there you go. Yeah, pretty much it. Decent dressy shoe. Okay. Let's move on to the last, but not the least. So this is, it says Mr. Mr. Joshua Lee, size 10, and the designer is Public Opinion. This one I got it from Nordstrom Rack for very, very cheap price. Let's see. So straight out of the box, there you go. It's a Chelsea boot, and look at how much I paid. $29. Okay, if the camera can focus, yeah, there you go. I paid 29 bucks for this Chelsea boots, and the original price was around, let's see, 150, and then it came up to 79, and then came to 29 with 62% savings. So I saved 62%. Let's see how much. Yeah, so with taxes, everything came up to $32. That's the Nordstrom Rack receipt. $32 for these. This is a steal, man. You know, like Chelsea boots. I mean, they've come into existence ever since a lot of the superstars and, you know, the stars made it look kind of fly. Kanye West being one of them, you know, rocking Chelsea boots has become a fashion right now and trendy. So I like the tan colorway because you could style it very well, and it's gonna go very well with some black jeans or light blue jeans. So this is the reason why I kept these. So this is just a few unboxing of my dressy shoes. I've got more coming. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. I've got a lot of videos coming up. Stay tuned, and you know, go check out my other videos. Until I see you next in my other videos, peace and out. I don't care what